Good morning. Today we'll discuss Newton's Raphson method. Fourth sum. To compute the real root of x into log 10 power x equal 1.2. 1.2 correct to 3 decimal places using Newton's Raphson method. Newton's Raphson method. You are given f of x is equal to x log 10 power x equal to 1.2. Now the given f of x we have to change into f of x is equal to 0. For that we have to rearrange the equation log x log 10 power x equal 1.2. We can take this side, so minus 1.2 equal to 0. This is the f of x formula. Next, to find out the f dash of x, f dash of x, and here this is for constant value 0, and here u dot v format we have to differentiate with respect to x. Now to fix x value constant and to differentiate log 10x with respect to x, so we can get 1 divided by x log 10 power e plus we can take log x constant and differentiate x with respect to 1. With respect to x we can get the 1. Now here x will be cancelled. Now log 10 power e plus log 10 power x. Now to find out log 10 power e value in calculator, to press ln we can get the result 2.3026 log, that is ln anti-log of 10 equal to 2.3026. Now required log base 10 power e. For that divide this result 1 divided by ln 10. Now 1 divided by 2.3026 equal to 0.4343. We can get the result 0.43434 log 10 power e equal to 1 divided by ln 10, that result 0.4343. Now this value substitute here. F dash of x equal log 10 power x plus log 10 power e value 0.4343. Okay, this is for f dash of x. Now to find out the real root, for that to fix f of 0. F of 0, this is for 0 log 10 power 0 minus 1.2 equal to, we can get the result minus 1.2. This is for negative result. Next, to substitute f of 1, x value 1 into log 1 minus 1.2, we can get the result minus 1.2. This is also negative result. Next, to substitute f of 2, x value 2 into log 10 power 2 minus 1.2 equal, we can get the result minus 0.5974. This is also minus result. Next, to substitute f of 3, this is for 3 into log 10 power 3 minus 1.2, we can get the result 0.2314. This is for positive result, and this is for negative result, and this is for positive result. So the root lies between f of 2 and f of 3. F of 3. Now to find out x naught value. This is for f of 2 value minus 0.59, and f of 3, this is for positive value. Now to find out negative value, very close to the positive value. Now x naught, we have to take the average, that is 2 plus 3 divided by 2 equal to 2.5. Now to substitute f of 2.5, here the 2.5 log 10 power 2.5 minus 1.2, we can get the result minus 0.205. This is for negative result. Okay. Now next, to increase the 2.6. Now the 2.6 log 10 power 2.6 minus 1.2 equals minus 0.1211 equal to negative. This is also negative. Now we can increase the x value 2.7. Now 2.7 log 10 power 2.7 minus 1.2 equals, we can get the result minus 0.0353 equal to negative. This is also negative. Next, to increase 2.8. 2.8 log 10 power 2.8 minus 1.2. We can get the result 0.052 equal to positive. So f of 2.7, this is for negative and this is for positive. F of 2.7 negative result, this is for very close to the f of 3 positive result. So we can take x naught value 2.7. We can take the x value 2.7. Now Newton's Raphson method formula, xn plus 1 equal to xn minus f of xn divided by f dash of xn. Here n equal to, we can sort 1, 2, 3 up to the both iteration values are same. Okay. First, to substitute n value 0. Here 0 means x1 equal to x naught minus f of x naught divided by f dash of x naught. First, to substitute the n value 0, first iteration x1 equal to x naught minus f of x naught divided by f dash of x naught. Okay. Now to find out the f of x naught, f of x naught value 2.7. This is for f of x. Now to substitute f of x in formula, x value 2.7 log 10 2.7 minus 1.2 equal. Now to simplify, we can get the result minus 0.0353. Next to find out f dash x naught equal to f dash of 2.7. To substitute log 10 2.7 plus 0.4343 in f dash of x. Result 0.8657. Now these two values substitute here. x1 equal x naught value 2.7 minus f x naught value minus here minus will be changed plus 0.0353 divided by f dash of x naught value 0.8657. Now divide these two, that result add with the 2.7, we can get the result 2.741. Next, to substitute the n value 1 in formula, x2 equal to x1 minus f of x1 divided by f dash of x1. x2 equal to x1 minus f x1 divided by f dash of x1. First, to find out f of x1. f of x1 value 2.741, you can bracket 2.741. Now to substitute f of x value 2.741 log 10 power 2.741 minus 1.2. Okay, now simplify this one, we can get the result 3.0866 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Next, to find out f dash x1, f dash x1 value 2.741 equal log 10 power 2.741 plus 0.4343. This value substitute f dash of x. Here x value 2.741. Okay, this is the result. Now to simplify this one, 0.8722. Now these two value substitute here, x2 equal x1 value 2.741 minus of f of x1 value 3.0866 into 10 to the power of minus 4 divided by f dash x1 result 0.8722. Divide these two, that result subtract with 2.741. Now we can get x2 value 2.741. Now x1 value and x2 value, now to compare, both results are same. x1 value 2.741, x2 value 2.741, both are same. Now to stop the iterations up to x2. Therefore, the real root is 2.741. This is the final result. Any doubt? No. Thank you.